The current time is 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC55. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wise County in north central Texas, east central Jack County in north central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Lake Bridgeport to near Boyd, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bridgeport, Briar, Pecan Acres, Reno, Aurora, Boyd, Paradise, and Lake Bridgeport around 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Eagle Mountain and Rhome around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pelican Bay and Haslet around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Aurora, Wizard Wells, Vineyard, Cottondale, Newark, Runaway Bay, Lake Bridgeport, Highland Addition, Keeter, and Sanctuary. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.